Oh, I forgot. Hey guys, I have a birthday and she's 9, and because she got all the stuff about this.
Yes.
Yes.
So, hey guys, on today's adventure, me and Peyton are going to be opening up of one of my birthday presents that I got yesterday for my 9th birthday. This is some of my L.O.Ls that I already have. I have, her name is Fierce.
So, let's go open this.
Yes.
Yes. And
But
we
wait,
have
guys,
one.
before we start opening this, if you're not entered in our giveaway, we'll have how you can enter in the description below. Color change lip gloss. Some stickers, some changing thing, and some lip gloss holders.
Stickers.
So, there we go. Now this is
There
the
already
color
is sticker
changing
on the
lip
tube.
gloss base. And these are the 2 lip gloss colors.
Can you see this?
And this is the little mixture. And these are our little 2 lip gloss holders.
I have one. I'm making orange. I have one. And put flip flop there. And then
So this is our easy to follow instructions to build a happy lip gloss. So first, single flavored lip gloss. Here's what you will need. Lip gloss containers, blah, 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 blah. We already have all it. Okay, so step 1.
There's
Select
the
it.
logo on it too. You see the logo on it too?
Logo.
Logo.
I'm
going
Peyton, which empty container should we do? Okay, so we picked a container. I don't think these open. Okay, so.
Okay, can I
There we
put
go.
the sticker
So,
on it?
hold on. Open the color changing base and carefully fill the bottom half of your container.
They're orange. I want to get orange.
Okay, that's half. Guys, ugh. You guys can't smell it, but this stuff, ugh, it stinks.
I'm making a tower.
Whoa, guys.
Orange.
Guys, look.
My favorite is orange. Consul, what's your favorite?
It is color changing. Look, it color changed. That's proof that this is color changing lip gloss.
Consul, what's your favorite?
Okay, so there's one. I need another one. 2.
Four. You missed 3.
I did 5. Okay, so the next step is 4. Stir the mixture together with the stir stick until blended. Ooh, it looks so cool. I don't know, guys. What do you think? What do you think this looks like?
We have to put sticker on it. My favorite, we have to put this on it and put this logo on the sticker because my favorite is the
Guys, this is
mermaid.
sweet
Mom,
orange.
I hate
Do you think I
mermaids.
should add one more
Mom,
drop?
like this.
I'm gonna add it one more drop. Just to see what happens. Step 6. Apply stickers to the container to create your own apply stickers to your container to create your own equate lip gloss.
This one.
So we're gonna put the mermaid on the lid. And Peyton, what are we gonna do?
Put the logo on the bottom.
Yep, we're gonna put L.O.L. on the bottom.
This one next. This container.
There we go. Here's our mermaid and then our L.O.L. Boom.
You made your first lip gloss. Looks pretty
Okay.
slimy.
Yeah. I wonder if it tastes like it. Peyton, can you do this? Do you know how to do it? Just squeeze it. Here. 1, 2, 3. Do you want 3 or 4?
4.
Do you want 5?
Yeah, 5.
There we go.
Oh.
I'll just wipe it off the side. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna do 6.
Here, happy birthday!
Here, put the lid on that. I'm gonna do the orange. Ready? 1,
I need to open.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, it's turning out to look like soy sauce.
Maybe.
Okay, Pam, so do you know what the last 2 colors are? The last 2 stickers are? Yeah, please. So do you think we should do this one on top or bottom?
On top and bottom.
Top.
I'm coming, son.
Okay. There we go. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try on the purple one right now. So, ready? What do you think it'll do? Okay, I'm just going to put my finger in there. Hit.
Ooh.
My turn. Can I try?
Very pretty.
Can I try?
They don't taste very good.
Oh.
Here, let's see. Go like this. Ooh, yes. Very pretty.
I wonder what mine looks like. I mean, it's kind of hard to see your own face.
Like, give this big thumbs up. Give big thumbs up.
If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell next to it saying never miss a video. See you next time on Adventures with A&P. Bye! Guys, look what that made. That made a big grease spot right here.
It's